Maven is an on-demand car sharing service. We launched in 2016. We launched very quickly with 8 markets in 8 months.
One of the biggest challenges that we've had was understanding who are going to be the right people to target, to talk to, in order to have them actually become a member, register, and then use our service.
These days, an install or download isn't enough. We're really looking to find those high-value members.
So we partnered with Google to address our need of finding high-value customers. We've been able to increase our registrations by 51% while decreasing our cost per registration by 74%. One of the benefits of using an automated campaign is that you get to being more of a strategist, being able to look at it from a 30,000-foot view and understand this is the campaign as a whole. It gives me a lot more line of sight of what's in the future instead of what's just immediately on the horizon.
It does all the hard work for us. With machine learning, it's constantly optimizing so that we can focus our time, efforts, and energy on finding other ways that we can continue to connect with our members.
This partnership has done really well in addressing our business challenges.
This is where we're looking to continue to find the high-value members. We know that Google will allow us to continue to drive and grow our Maven business.